Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can buy XRP Ripple on Trust Wallet app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. It's a very easy process. For that, all you gotta do is open up your Trust Wallet app, and from over here you simply have to go ahead, tap on this coins option. And once you're over here, you're gonna go to search bar and type in XRP, or we can see the XRP listed in the bottom of our listing. You can directly tap on that. Then once you have tapped on it, you simply have to enter the particular amount you would like to buy the XRP for. Once you've added the amount, you can also choose to tap on this third-party provider and change your provider from given listing according to your rate. Once done with that, go ahead, go back, and now simply tap on this option of next in the bottom, and simply you will be able to see further details of your purchasing, confirm it, and you will be able to buy XRP on your Trust Wallet. And that's it. That is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.